Tomplay just upped their game by adding 2 new practice modes that actually listen to you play and responds in real time. Check it out, let me show you how it works. Start by choosing an eligible score. This feature is still in beta, so not every score offers it yet. I'm going to go with Jesu, Joy of Man's Desiring by Bach. Once the score is open, we tap on the play along icon. There you'll see a recently updated dashboard that now offers multiple practice modes. When enabled, your device's microphone starts listening to your performance. As you play, Tomplay highlights each note on the staff, and when it hears you play the note correctly, it automatically moves on to the next one. Alright, let's take a look at what each new mode actually does. First, we have wait mode. In wait mode, Tomplay will pause on every note until it hears you play it correctly. So if you miss a note, it'll just stay there and wait for you to find the right one. This is perfect for practicing tricky sections slowly and carefully. It kind of feels like having a teacher sitting next to you saying, "Hold on, try that again until you get it right." Once you've got more of a handle on the song, you can switch to Smart Page Turn. This mode is a little bit more free-flowing. Instead of listening for every single note, it listens for groups of notes and automatically scrolls when it detects that you're playing that section correctly overall. It's more forgiving than wait mode, so you can focus on keeping the rhythm and musical flow going. If you hit too many wrong notes in a row, though, it won't move forward. Right now, these features are available only in the Tomplay mobile app, so make sure to download or update it if you haven't already. If you'd like to try it out, I'll leave a link to Tomplay in the description below. That's my affiliate link, so using it helps support the 5-Minute Mozart channel, while also giving you access to thousands of interactive sheet music titles. Thanks again to Tomplay for sponsoring this video, and I'll see you in the next one.